What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Cam Now, and the title of the video is "She Refuses to Get Out of Her Car, so they dragged her out." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On February 3rd, 2023, a Sandy Springs police officer on patrol spotted a vehicle with only one working headlight and conducted a traffic stop in Atlanta, Georgia.
Hey. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hey, I stopped you because you have one headlight up there. My name's Officer Kramer, Sandy Springs Police.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes.
Okay, simple stop. Should be a ticket, fix it ticket. Should be no issues. Blown light bulb, that's it.
Did you know you had a headlight out?
Yes.
You did know? Mm-hmm. Okay. You working on getting it fixed?
You're supposed to say no.
Okay. All right. Give me just a minute. I'm coming right back to you.
Okay.
When officers ran her driver's license, they uncovered even more violations.
Suspended, no valid insurance. Nissan's.
Followed by that the female has someone en route to the location that possibly going to harm her.
Oh, that your record
About
shows
10
the
to
vehicle
5
doesn't have
minutes away.
insurance. Do you have
Let not
insurance?
get further.
And go from there. Suspended anyways, and it's expired.
Step out the car, ma'am. I need you to step out here so I can talk to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So, your tag is suspended for lack of insurance. Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
No.
You don't have insurance on the vehicle?
No.
So what's going on?
Okay, so honestly, I was waiting till I got paid, and I did today. Cause I was having issues because my direct deposit got sent to the wrong account. So I was waiting today to get paid to pay it. Cause I go on eDrive services. I was gonna pay the full amount today. That was my plan. So I had to wait 2 weeks to get paid. Cause I haven't been like this until I haven't got paid.
I got you. Where are you working?
I work at on perimeter.
Gotcha.
Perimeter.
Okay.
That's why I usually pay it from the eDrive services. I was gonna pay the $200.
Did you get paid today?
I did, yes.
Okay. Give me a minute. I'm gonna come back to you, okay?
Okay. Okay.
After hearing about her paycheck issues, one officer considered cutting her a break. But his partner looked deeper and uncovered that she was a habitual offender who pulled this kind of thing all the time.
It's not her first one.
No. So you don't think give her the opportunity to get insurance in front of me?
Midnight. No.
Okay. Clear.
Yeah, she does it all the time. It's the third. No.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you get suspended registration, no insurance, expired tag. Those are 3 tickets, and then you can give her a warning for your initial stop, which was that way.
Last you realize? Yes, ready?
Damn. Bro was gonna let her off the hook, but she doing too much.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the supervisor too. That's corporal or something.
All right, ma'am. This is for you.
You're towing the car.
I have to. I don't have a choice.
Even though
Suspended registration. I don't have a choice.
Can't drive it on the
I
road.
just paid it and paid
Even
my
if
insurance.
you have insurance on it, with the registration being suspended, it's an arrestable offense.
No, I just paid it.
I know the registration you couldn't have though.
No, I literally just paid the $160 for the registration.
For insurance.
No,
You have to get insurance. There's no way you fix registration.
I'm doing the insurance now.
For knowingly driving without insurance, I have to tow the vehicle. I have these for you to sign. Remember, you're not admitting to guilt when you sign this thing. You're saying that you will appear at this court date. This is the address for the court date. Take that for me there. This is the address for the court date. All right, and this is the time. Okay. Sign right here at the bottom, and it's not admission of guilt. It is just saying that you will appear at that court date. Get everything of value out of the car. So that
guys want to pick me up?
Yes, yeah, of course. I've got a few more for you here. Same spot. And once more. You don't want them taking a whole bunch of your stuff with you though, so make sure you get everything of value out of the car with you. And I'm going to give you these bottom three. I can't let the car leave. I'm sorry. My hands are tied.
But it's on there now.
I know. I can't let the car drive off. My hands are tied here. I don't have a choice. I'm sorry.
It just cleared. I just cleared it.
I know. I can't let the car drive off. I'm telling you, my hands are tied. Because it's when I stop the car.
Man, you better be easy. You better be easy, because he not even locking you up. He just towing the vehicle. You got to find your way home. But you keep yip-yapping. He done told you already that this is an arrestable offense. But he ain't locking you up, so relax.
For suspended registration. It's much worse.
That's because I have to pay the down. I just paid it.
And because of lack of insurance is what it's suspended for. I just don't have a choice.
I just paid for both of them.
I know. I don't have a choice here. I'm sorry. If you would grab everything of value out, and
I have to stand outside.
Yes.
Till I call my aunt.
Yes, until you get a ride here.
I asked Rose. I said,
Just get everything of value out of it.
one of y'all cars? He was like, yes, when our.
Do I have to stand outside?
Yes, you can.
I don't want to stand outside.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what. Damn, that shit was fucked up. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
You're free to stay under this hanging here until your ride gets here. So you don't have to stand out in the rain.
Where are you going? The gas station.
Either way.
Do you have anything valuable you need to get out of your car besides your bag there?
All right, man. We get everything of value out. Or you got it packed up at least.
You locked in with that phone, but you ain't moving fast enough, boy. I would have had you out already. I ain't gonna lie.
See, after this, I didn't go to the parking lot. I didn't go to the yard.
It's what?
I can't pick up the phone.
Yeah, from this place. I'm gonna give you a case card that has all the info on it. You gotta step out with me.
Even if I paid it.
Yes, ma'am. Step out with me. I'm gonna give you a case card. It's got the location of your vehicle where you can pick it up. All right, ma'am.
Look, my boy right here, I think he, like I said, he corporal or whatever, because he got the 2 stripes. He ain't got the 3. The 3 is typically the sergeants, and then the lieutenants, they had the bars. You feel me? He on point, though. Him right here? Hey. He losing patience. You better get it together before they get you together.
An effort to get out of the car. Okay, you still got your seatbelt on, you're sitting in there. The only thing you're gonna do is make a bad situation worse. Okay? So you need to start getting out of the car. Are you talking to me? Because you're talking to the car and I can't hear a thing you're saying.
Ma'am.
It's about to go down.
No, I'm not standing outside at night.
Ma'am, you have to get out of the vehicle.
No, I don't.
Ma'am,
I paid tonight.
I've asked you to step out of the vehicle. Now I'm going to tell you to step out of the vehicle. And if you refuse to step out,
Y'all gonna kill me because I'm black?
I have to remove you from the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
They gonna kill you because you black. Come on. Like, this is like low-hanging fruit. It's the same bullshit. I can't breathe. It's because I'm black. You racist. But we've been sitting here waiting for you to get out of the car after the cop already told you that it's an arrestable offense and he giving you a cite and release. That's the paper. He cited you, gave you a court date, and you're released. You're free to go instead of putting you in cuffs, bringing you down to the station, and fingerprinting you and all that stuff. But it's because you're black. Is this really? Really? You don't know accountability for yourself? You driving, you got flagged, first of all, because you driving with one headlight. And then when the officer asks you, you say, yeah, I know. Who the fuck says that? You're supposed to be like, no. Even if you do know, you're supposed to be like, no, officer, I didn't even realize that. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. Okay, cool, no problem. Okay, we gonna get past that. But then all the paperwork on the car is all jacked up. Waiting for my check. The check got deposited in the wrong account and this and that. That shit don't even make sense. So, whatever. But we passed all of that. He gave you the cite and release. All you gotta do is stand outside, wait for your ride. What, you gonna have a tow trunk company sit there and wait all day for you? Nah, it ain't gonna work like that. So now, they about to get you together. Oh, you gonna kill me because we black, because I'm black? Okay, all right. Listen, whatever happens from here on out, you brought upon yourself because you can't follow simple instructions.
The last time I'm going to tell you, if you refuse to step out of the vehicle, I'm going to have to remove you from the vehicle.
Are y'all gonna kill me because I'm black? Is that what y'all gonna do?
I'm going to remove you from the
I
vehicle.
know what that means. Y'all gonna kill me.
Oh, the boys is here now? Oh, yeah.
All right, ma'am.
Let go of the bag.
Let go of it.
Leave me the. Y'all better stop.
Let go of the
Stop. Stop.
Let go of the bag, man. You're under arrest. I got the bag. Y'all get here. Take the bag with you.
Damn, fucking white police.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your other arm. Right now.
Get her together. Yes, sir. Act right. Get her together. She ain't acting right.
Come on. Get control of the arm first.
Give me my phone.
Let go.
Give me my phone.
Bend the wrist. Yeah. Little pain compliance never hurts.
Y'all hurt my fucking leg.
Because you're fighting. If you would comply.
Bend the wrist. Oh, yeah.
You're under arrest for obstruction.
Y'all making my fucking face.
That left wrist look a little loose. But whatever. They did their thing.
Should have gotten out of the car when we told you to the first time.
Get up. Let's go. She said, ah, my wrist.
Search her from the car.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Search her in front of the car. She a female. We gotta get it on cam, on the dash cam.
He was going to poke me or stick me.
Don't cry now. They was more than lenient with you, boy.
She was charged with suspended registration, disorderly conduct, and no insurance, then transported to Fulton County Jail.
Got her together, huh?
Sit down, butt first.
Sit down, don't cry. Listen, you made your bed, now you gotta lay in it. Shit, now you going to jail all soaking wet because your ass got face first on the ground. You know what I'm saying? Now you got additional charges. For something so stupid, now you got a tow bill. Well, you was going to have that regardless, but you know what I'm saying? Shit don't make no sense, man. Hard head gonna make a soft ass, boy. I give these officers 5 out of 5, man. 5 out of 5. They was very, very patient with her. The officer actually, you know, if she didn't have all that other stuff jacked up with her, you know, he was going to let her slide. You feel me? Like, you know, I like that officer. That officer, he got some compassion. He got some, you know what I'm saying? He was going to let her slide, you know, but all the paperwork and everything ain't right. So, yeah, you got no choice. But yeah, I give him 5 out of 5. Got her ass together. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.